Welcome back to another episode of Aimee's Solar Cooking for Dummies. Today, we are cooking rice. We're cooking rice again. And you know why? Because learning to solar cook, there's a lot of trial and error. Last time I cooked a cup of rice and it took, I think it was an hour and 45 minutes. My dad told me that it should have only taken me an hour. Doing things differently this time. I'm going to be using a dark pot with a glass lid so I could actually see what the rice looks like, because last time I kept checking and lifting the lid, which of course was letting a lot of heat out. Also, to address some previous comments, I put butter in my rice, and they said, well, why butter? Because I like it. If you don't want to put butter in your rice, you don't have to. Just let people do things that make them happy. It is noon in July, sunny San Diego day. Got my pot with a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, butter. It's got butter in it. Got my oven bag. Twisty. Going to adjust the oven to have a minimal amount of shadow here on the sun side. I'm gonna set my timer for an hour. Last time I started, I only did it for half an hour. And see how it looks. So it's been an hour. My dad's here. See how I'm doing.
I still see a little bit of water in it, I think. Take a look at this.
I know. Okay, so the pros here. What should I do?
Well, you're not in focus. All right. So what you should do is you need to raise the cooker like this.
I try doing that.
And then you have to turn it
Yeah.
a long way here.
Oh, wow, that's pretty bad.
You're way off from the sun. Keep going. Way off from the sun. See where the shadow is?
Yeah.
That's good for afternoon because it's ahead of the sun.
See, this is the difference between the
That's
novice and the master.
Focus.
Okay. Well, how much more time do you think I'm gonna need?
Minutes.
All right. Coming back in.
This could take more because you didn't do it right. Okay. So.
We'll come back in 30 minutes. Okay, I'm back 3 minutes early because I'm hungry. I'm getting hangry. Okay, that looks perfect. It's been an hour and 27 minutes. I beat my previous record of an hour 45. Had to take the time to really make sure it's in focus. It makes a huge difference. So now I'm gonna go eat this, and thank you for watching Aimee's Solar Cooking for Dummies.